Hi guys, in this tutorial, we are going to create our search chart. Let's go to create our search chart together. So this one will little bit take times, but guys, be patient and learning the, all the fundamentals about metrics. So we are going to create a metric. Okay, guys, I'll go to create a metrics. Let's go to okay. This one it will take a little bit time, but guys, so many things you are going to change here into understanding or to create your best your dreams dashboard. So let's go to get here. We are going to get here the row when the value of row we are going to put the job. Then the second columns we are going to put job function, and third we are going to uh, employee counts when the value. Cool. It's look perfect. It's look great. Let's go to to change all the background colors and so on. Come to here, where in general. Let's go to change the first title here. First to give uh, jobs. Satisfaction. Satisfaction. Okay. Going to change to some bold and color. Just see this one. Then background color this one. Look nice, yeah. Or just going to take yes. So this one. Then last two put in the middle. Yes. Now we already done our title. Yeah, let's go to in section or effects. Here we are completed thing on background. And property. So guys, if you want to increase in the size or anything, so we are going to increase the size. But if you also change the height, you are going to here height and width. Now here visuals. Come to here style the way that you want. You are going to guys use the all the style that you're going to minimum bold hider. You see, you're going to change from here if you want. But I don't want to use one. I just want to use my own style, right? You want to build from scratch. So why you are using this one? Let's go to change default. Yeah. Now we are going to create our own. Let's guys go to change vertical color, horizontal color. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Or just use our own background color. Yeah. Look, look itself. Also vertical. Just to give them the same color. If anything to itself. Yes. And then come to version. we already done. Great. Look, we are now in values in bold here, text in white, and then to give the background. Yes, the background color. Look nice, yeah. Or we use something else, maybe yellow, too much over this one. Look nice. I'm going to prefer something else. Guys, you are going to, play with all the colors. If you have a, so okay, let's to leave this one, and then our second alternative, we also use over this one. No, not good color. Okay, yes, look nice. Done with the values. Let's go to header. Want us to change the color and to change the background color to which one? I think we use it one. Yes, it's look nice. Or if you want to change more darker, okay. We done the header. We have a row one. From the text color, we change to this one, but the background color, whatever you want. But here, I just want to leave like this for row. Okay, let's click this one. Now we are going to use column subtitle. Control the value here to change with whatever you want. You are going to change. I just want to leave like this. And also background. My phone. Don't want to change here. If you want to color, uh, up to your background, something good, you are going to find that color. Yes, look nice. You guys, how's it look? be done. So now we are going to in column grand total. Yeah, the text color black. What's in the background color? I'm going to use already. Okay. Yes. We have a background. I was looking for. Okay. Yeah, text stay. You guys on text color to below. This color good or I think color okay. Maybe like that. And also background. Click on this one. Okay. But here, guys, there's something I want to tell you. Uh, boom. And if we don't close, you see, so it's working like this. Look nice, yeah. Okay. Text color plus to change to black. Okay, nice. Let's go with black. It's more similar like this one. Okay, now we're almost done, guys. And specific column, we are going to change the color. So if you want to change this, if you want to change the background color, see guys. So you are going to use whatever you want. So you change like this. But we have a final one, sales element. You come to here. So training on background color. I want to give here my own specific color. See here, this color we are going to use my own color. Let's go to change this one. Come to here. If you turn right like this, you take this color. I don't want to do that one. Let's go to here, more colors. and the yellow here. Yes. Okay, in this color, okay. And height, this color is fine. Yeah. Outlook. We are going to increase this one. On top. Also on bottom to make a little bit big. You see, this one already gone, right? See, I don't want to be this one. Instead, look like this because you want to be a little bit increased like this. Yes. Now just guys come to here, increase the torso, and also to increase this one. And this one. Come to here, increase this one, and come to here, so increase. Come to here, give a little bit of space. Look, guys, Outlook. Look at how to create like this that it's look amazing. Look all the colors and look this way your guys going to dashboard your dreams dashboard you are going to create it. So I hope guys you learning something new here. Looking forward to see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.